What's up, everyone? Welcome back. First of all, thank you all for 300 subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. मतलब, I hit 300 subscribers. I've had asked to hit 300 subscribers by the end of this month, but you guys were so quick. 2 दिन में ही we completed 300 subscribers. So yup. Thank you again for that. I thanked you a lot on Discord, etc. So so I asked you guys to ask me some questions for yet another boring Q&A. I don't know. I tried something different. I thought I'll do some gaming challenges that were asked by you guys. I even asked you guys for gaming challenges, but then I thought that is taking too much time. And I need to provide you guys with content. But don't worry, the gaming challenges would be coming very soon. Among Us gaming challenges, Minecraft gaming challenges. Some of them were pretty big, so I might do them as a separate video also. They would be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So yep, I decided to do yet another Q&A only. So that's what we are gonna do. So I asked you guys to give me some questions on Discord, and I got pretty good response, better response than the last 200 subscribers Q&A thing. So I'm sorry if you couldn't ask me questions, because you aren't on my Discord server. That's why you should join my Discord server. Yes. So let's start with the Q&A. Thank you once again to all of you guys. So our first question we have here is by KB Boy. His first question, he has two questions. His first question is, what is your name based on, and what inspired you to name yourself Croc? So basically in 2018, I used to watch Pokemon, and I don't know, when I was making my first Roblox account, that was Crocono88. I don't know why I felt like keeping the name Crocono. I just don't know. Then with Crocono came Croc, and that became my channel name. His second question is, who inspired you to start YouTube? Actually, I was just in 2018. I just thought of making a channel because I had seen many Roblox channels. At that time, I used to play Roblox, so nothing really inspired me to start YouTube. So our second question we have here is by Hello Sesquius. He has two questions. Why did you start YT? And his second one is, my question is, why should I ask you a question? Slaypound ki copy. Nice. His real question is, who motivated you to do YT? So basically both of these questions are the same kind of questions like the one which KB Boy asked. So basically, I just start YouTube. I wanted to share my gameplay videos of stupid Roblox, and also my your real question, which is who motivated you to do IT. As I told, nothing really motivated. I just wanted to open a channel, and I started it. Crocono, I did it Roblox. That was my first channel name, if you didn't know. Our next question is by GG Gamer, and by the way, he's not the administrator of my server. I don't know why his name is that. So his question is, a person which you met in a game on voice chat and you really feel like to be his friend. So I think he's trying to ask, is there a person I met on game? So I think I don't think I met someone good that I really want to be his friend, but KB is a really good friend. I have never met him in real life, but still. So the next question we have here is by Mr. Bronx. He says, have you ever copied a YouTuber? If yes, then which YouTuber? So I don't really know. I don't really think I've copied a YouTuber. I don't think so. But if you guys think I have ever copied, or I copy any YouTuber, then make sure you tell me whom do I copy down below. So I don't think so I copy any YouTuber. You guys tell your opinion about this. So our next question is another question by Mr. Bronx. What is your favorite song? So my favorite song as of right now is The Way I Am by Eminem, or you can say Forgot About Dre by Dr. Dre and Eminem. I don't know. I am really listening to his old music right now, Eminem's old music. So I don't know, there are many favorite songs of me. Next question is by Crick Boss. His question is, if once you would start getting money from YouTube, where would you like to use it? Games, Nitro, or what? If I would get money from YouTube, I will probably buy Nitro from it, Discord Nitro, or maybe I will buy some game like Fall Guys. I might buy Fall Guys or some other game, or make a game transaction or something like that. So basically yes, यही सब करूँगा मैं on the lines of these things. So the next question we have here is by Demote Sakusa. Her nickname is Demote Croc in my server, पता नहीं क्यों. So she asks, what's your favorite movie and book? You can say my favorite movie is like the Harry Potter series maybe, or the Avengers series, the whole Avengers series. And my favorite book is the Harry Potter series. I don't know. I just can't think of some particular favorite book or movie. So our next question we have here is by Phantom Gaming. He has 4 questions. His first question: do you want to collab with me in future? Sure, I would like to collab with you in future. You can let me know what topic the collab should be about. Next question is, क्या आपकी टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? Question 3, मेलोडी इतनी चॉकलेटी कैसे है? भाई नाइस यार, ये कैसे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं? Anyways, next question is, if you will make a montage in future, then you can ask me songs, and if you want help, you can ask me. Okay, sure bro, I will ask you if I want any help in any game montage. And congratulations for 300 subs, keep growing. Thank you so much for congratulating me. Yes, these were his questions. Let's go on to the next one. Next we have is some questions by A Impact or Advait. His questions is, why don't you play Clash Royale? So basically I don't play Clash Royale because I basically don't have time, or I don't know anything about that game. I think it's a difficult game. I don't know. If you want, I can play with you. His second question is, what are your views in gaming industry in India? So I think the gaming industry is in like ज़्यादा यूट्यूबर्स जो बड़े वाले हैं वो तो मतलब ठीक ही काम कर रहे हैं, like Mortal or Dynamo. I don't know much about Indian gaming. So I think gaming industry is going on fine. Question 3, when will you do setup tour? I can do setup tour if you want at 400 subscribers or 350 subscribers. I don't know, I can do whenever you want. मतलब I can do it, but not now. I'll see when कब करना है setup tour. So our next question is by Mr. King KP. What all games do you play? So basically I play many games. Should I list them? Okay, let me list them. I play Minecraft, Call of Duty Mobile, Among Us, Asphalt 9. I play that for time pass. CSGO, Counter Strike, Global Offensive, that is, and rarely I play Valorant, and Roblox bhi I play like very rarely nowadays. So our next question is by the Heroic Beast. What do you do the whole day? So basically nowadays there are online classes. Online class में होते हैं हम, मतलब online class करते हैं. उसके बाद like basically I study or play Minecraft and stuff like that. I don't know. मतलब it's just like study and playing and gaming, whatever. And sometimes I also make videos for you guys. So yes, it's basically a mixed thing basically. Whatever I do on my whole day. So our next question we have here is by Div_100. What is the meaning of life? So I don't know the meaning of life. Ask someone who knows this. I'm not Sadhguru. So the next question we have here is by the Insane. What is the hardest game you have ever played, and which graphics cards do you have, and how much storage do you have in your PC? So the hardest game which I have ever played can be Valorant, maybe because it's a really hard game. The ranking up is really hard in Valorant. And which graphics card do you have? So I have Intel HD Graphics 620. How much storage do I have in my PC? I have 2 TB storage on my PC. So our next question is by SMR Wraith. He asks, is lime hot or cyan? I actually didn't get your question. Is lime hot or I don't know. Please explain me what do you mean by this. So our next question is by Thor. Great. What items did you buy with your Robux? So I have made a video on this some time ago. I don't play Roblox now, but you can check that video out. I made it and I showed what all did I buy from with my Robux I got. So yep, check it out if you want to know that. So the last question we have here is by Rehan. He asked what are my PC specs. So my PC is Intel Core i3. The CPU is 6006U and it is 2.00 GHz and RAM is 8 GB. System is 64-bit OS. Obviously it is Windows. And my graphics card, as I told, it is still UHD graphics 620. So yep, that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this Q&A. I want to thank you all once again for 300 subscribers. Sorry this video was a bit late. Some editing was left after some days. That's why it came out today. So yep, thanks for 300 once again. If you enjoyed this Q&A, make sure you leave a like and subscribe also. Thank you once again and bye.